a 10-pound prime rib roast. All right, got some thyme, got some rosemary, rock salt, honey Dijon mustard, and pepper in here. We are going to put this whole thing in a garbage bag. We're out here sledding and enjoying the snow. Look at all that gravy right there. We want to flame lick the meat and make it caramelize on the outside. Oh, little bacon fried Brussels sprouts. Add the honey. Woo! There's Christmas dinner right there. Looks amazing. One nice thing about cooking in cold weather like this, you don't have to let the meat rest very long.